Industries, it gives me great pleasure to welcome each of you to what is a momentous day in the history of our company and in the history of the watch market in India. Thank you very much for being here with us this afternoon to witness the launch of Titan Aviator, a collection par supreme. Let me begin with a few words on a company that you know very well, on the watches market in the country. We are a lead innovator in every single segment of the watch market, be it design, be it manufacturing, be it retail, be it marketing. These are from a book on Mr. JRD Tata called Beyond the Last Blue Mountain. And here he says, these are his own words, on an exciting October dawn in 1932, a Puss Moth aircraft and I soared joyfully from Karachi, marking during an air raid on series, the 75th year of Indian aviation, a tribute to the magnificent flying machines and aircraft of the Second World War. This is truly, in aircraft and aviation language, Roger, over and out. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bhatt. Ladies and gentlemen, if I can now request the man behind the unique designs of the Titan Aviator series, who also happens to be the Designer of the Year at the Business World Design Awards 2006. Titan Design Studios' Neil Foley, to elaborate on what inspired him to create such a collection. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Neil Foley. Neil, tell me something. How did you get this brilliant idea to create this new collection based on World War II fighter planes?
As a product designer, I believe that every product needs to have a story behind it. And product design today is about, apart from functionality and workability, it's the emotive part of the product that needs to play a key role. So the key design driver behind this collection has been my sheer passion for aviation, the technology associated with aviation, the spirit of flying. So the collection, the watches which you're going to see today, are basically inspired by the classic designs of aircrafts which flew in World War II, which is basically the Spitfire, the Mustang, the Messerschmitt, and the Hurricane. So the features from here have evolved onto this product. It is this passion that I wanted to bring to people through the design of this watch collection.
How did you manage to incorporate aspects of vintage fighter planes into a style accessory as small and as compact as a wristwatch?
Like I mentioned, each and every watch has got a small story behind it. Each and every watch has been inspired by a small detail of the aircraft itself, of the vintage aircraft, of the fighter plane. They are watches which are inspired from cockpit instrumentation. They are watches that are inspired from the fuselage. The Mustang came with a lot of nose art as such.
True to our passions. A man who is known for his unique achievements, his beliefs, and his values. A man who truly represents the modern global Indian. A person who has soared higher and higher to levels of achievement in his calling. A man with a highly tuned sensibility of style. Always, always reflecting the spirit of Titan. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome. There is only one man, Mr. Aamir Khan! Okay.
Any other questions on the Titan Aviator series? Ladies and gentlemen, let me once again thank you very much for your series, and let me hand over back to Mark.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Harish Bhatt and Neil Foley will be around. But please do join us for lunch outside. That's all the time I have for here today. From myself, Mark.